Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by readying the medkit and essential items so you can act immediately. Open inventory and assign the medkit to a hotkey. This prevents fumbling under pressure. While you're at it, pick up bandages and antiseptic to stack with the medkit and keep 1/2 ration for stamina recovery. Once that's done, glance at cooldowns and your carry capacity so you won't be slowed when healing becomes urgent. This setup keeps your actions smooth and repeatable. You deploy the medkit the moment bleeding or heavy damage appears. Press the assigned hotkey and hold it if you need the advanced heal menu. Treat bleeding first because it causes ongoing HP loss, then apply antiseptic within about 6 seconds to prevent infection and maximize the medkit's effectiveness. Make sure to check your stamina and enemy distance. Move behind cover before starting a full heal so the medkit isn't interrupted. This order prevents wasted supplies and keeps you combat ready. You finish by restocking and verifying effects. After a fight, return to camp or a vendor to replenish medkit components so you don't run dry. If a heal is interrupted, cancel the action immediately and reapply the medkit or use bandages for a fast patch. This avoids stacking failing attempts. If healing seems weak, check for status effects that reduce effectiveness and switch to an upgraded medkit if available. One tip: if the medkit won't use, confirm the hotkey mapping and available charges before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.